So hello guys, today we're gonna having a look at the software called Wintoys, which is another program that basically helps you to optimize the Windows and customize some regard. And as you can easily find this software on the Microsoft Store. And the official description of this app is look like this, and it's showing that to experience Windows in your way and keep it fresh every day, and it helps in setup, develop, optimize, repair, and tweak your operating system in simple and time saving and as usual safe approach. So to maintain clean, healthy, and productive state, you might need this software. And it also have good quiet reviews also. So let's try this software. So we are going ahead to download it from the official Microsoft Store. So simply I have to click on this get option and it's getting ready. Okay, it's almost done. And now simply open this software. All right, we have successfully installed the Windows app on our system. Okay, now it's showing a simple warning and it's showing that it is highly recommended that you create a system restore point before making changes to your device. So if you are willing to do this, make sure you have did a system restore point. All right, now we are in the app Windows. Like you can see, currently I'm in the home section and you can see all of the details of my system in the home section. Like I can see my system ID, processor, graphics, memory, Windows, and which type of Windows version I have. It's showing Windows 11, performance it's 9.1, and the apps installed in my system it's 157, processes, services, space clean, processor, video card, memory, and the network adapters. So likewise going truly on the app section also. So in the app section, I can easily find the all of the 157 apps and make changes on them. So simply clicking on the three dot, I can make changes like open, close, browse, search, reset, or I can uninstall also. So you can also uninstall the app that you might not uninstall from your system, so simply you can uninstall from here and make changes also. So likewise on the services option. So in the services option, you can easily find all of the services that are running in your PC. And as usual, you can make also changes on them. So simply clicking on these three dots and you can stop the services, restart, or you can change the mode. So it's automatic, manual, or disable. All right. Now let's go to the performance and see what we can do there. So in the performance section, we can easily make changes on our system, like I can change ultimate performance power plan of my system. And while clicking on the setting option, it will automatically redirect to the control panel settings. So it is linked to the control panel. So it might be easy for you to find the settings for your system. Like I can change the power plan for the ultimate performance hacks. It's hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, previous startup apps, relaunch, background app, activity history, visual settings, and this might be helpful to gamers for the gaming settings that might increase the frame rate in certain games, source indexing, delivery optimization, network adapter on board processor. So likewise on the health section, you can easily enable or disable the fast startup or the hibernation process. Like as usual, drive optimization, storage sense, battery report, repair, memory diagnosis, cleanup, system updates, app updates, and sleeping pills. And you can also restart the graphic driver, icon catches. You can make a lot of changes on your system from the Twitch settings. Likewise, on the desktop section, you can easily add this icon on your desktop. Like I have added all the default icons on my desktop. So if you want to add default app on your desktop, you can simply add from here. And on this start menu, I can make changes on this start menu, file explorer, privacy, ads, and this system. So simply on this setting option, you can also change the theme, like it's in auto, backdrop, landing page, or president sorting and filtering, shortcut error reporting. So this app is might helpful to you because it is directly linked to the control panel. I hope this video is might be helpful to you. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if any queries are arises, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.